Ouketech is a professional manufacturer of custom cable assemblies and wiring harnesses. Located in Shijiazhuang, China, the company has a 4.0 modern facility and is staffed by over 100 experienced employees. We have introduced advanced automation production and testing equipment, including fully automatic crimping machines, multi-section welding machines, programmable testers, and cross-section analyzers that we are certified with IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 quality management systems, ensuring that every process from raw material sourcing to manufacturing and final delivery adheres to international standards to guarantee product reliability and stability. Ouketech offers one-stop custom wiring harness and cable solutions and is capable of handling both ODM and OEM orders. Our services cover the entire process, from design and prototyping to small batch trials and mass production. With traceable production processes, strict quality control, and flexible supply chain management, we help our clients optimize costs and enhance product performance. Our products are widely used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, medical devices, industrial control, UAVs, robotics, lighting, solar energy, and military equipment. To date, we have established long-term partnerships with over 800 clients worldwide, gaining strong trust and recognition. Ouketech provides high-quality, reliable, and cost-competitive ODM OEM custom wiring harness solutions, empowering the success of our global partners.